two brothers who deny assaulting a police officer at Manchester Airport in 2024 will not face a third trial. This after two previous juries have failed to reach a verdict.
Isn't it important, Sarah, that we allow juries to make the decisions about people's guilt after a carefully managed process?
Maybe just take us through the legal process, because it is really complicated, I think, to get your head around.
A jury must come to a conclusion unanimously. If after an appropriate amount of time they can't make a decision, the judge can direct them to a majority. That means 10 to 2. In some cases where the evidence is finely balanced, the issues are live and contested, and a conclusion to that level of majority can't be reached by the jury, that's a hung jury. The prosecution have the opportunity of a second bite. Retrials are expensive. In the first place, the type of case that might be considered for retrial is already likely to be high profile. In this case, there is a consideration whether after having a hung jury on 2 occasions, a prosecution does have the option of going for a third time. But that's something that they are much less likely to want to do. And in fact, there is CPS guidance which suggests that they really shouldn't, unless, in the words of the Court of Appeal, on the one hand, the offence alleged is one of extreme gravity. This was ABH, actual bodily harm, a mid-level assault. Probably doesn't pass that test. And also that objectively there is a strength to the evidence that means that the prosecution really in good conscience must proceed again.